Good morning, children. So we were going through our lesson 11, that is fiber to fabric, and today we are going to learn about life cycle of silkworm. Children, for obtaining silk, silkworms are reared and this is known as sericulture. Okay, the life cycle of all the species of silkworm is completed in 4 stages. You can see in this picture. Okay, let me explain you in detail. A female silk moth lays egg. See, first step is egg, from which larva hatched out. Okay, this larva feed on the leaves and increase in number. Okay, that is the second step. See, it is feeding on leaves. They eat leaves and increase in number. These larvae secrete a special fluid from its mouth and which hardens on exposure to air and forms the silk fiber. Okay, so the larva covers itself with these fibers completely and this stage is known as cocoon. Okay, inside the cocoon the larva changes to pupa. Okay, silk fibers are obtained from the cocoon of the silk moths and these silk fibers have strength equal to steel wires. So once again I am explaining. The first step is to lay egg, then it feed on leaves and form larva. Larva increase in number and once fluid is coming from its mouth and it completely cover itself with cocoon. Then in cocoon larva changes to pupa and the silk fibers are obtained from the cocoon of the silk moths and these silk fibers are very strong and its strength is equal to steel wires. So in this process silk fibers are formed and for to obtain the silk fibers the cocoons are kept under the sun. Either it is boiled or either it is steamed or exposed to sun. So by this process the silk fibers separated out. After taking out the fibers the process of spinning the silk yarn is done. You can see in this picture. Reeling is done in special machines which unwind the thread of fibers of silk from cocoon. Silk fibers are then spun into silk threads which are woven into silk cloth by the weavers. See, this is the picture of pashmina. Special types of fabric are there which is obtained from the hairs of special type of goat and it's soft fleece and it is a Kashmiri goat, Angora species. So here student we have completed our chapter 11 fiber to fabric. Explanation is done. Tomorrow you are going to get the notes in the WhatsApp link.